Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna check this brake fluid tester out. So I got this off Amazon. I think it was about £8 or £9, and it's actually been a while since I've checked out quality of my brake fluid, so let's do that together today. It does need 2 AAA batteries, which is not included, so we have to get those. Now it's to change the battery. Okay, it only takes 1 AAA battery, not 2, as I suspected. Okay, it's working. Cool. Let's go check this out. Just undo this. Maybe a bit stiff because it's not something that gets touched quite often. So here's the result, guys. It's still okay, so should be alright for a little while yet.